It was drug maker Endo that ended up being the biggest acquirer, with an agreement to buy Par Pharmaceuticals for $8 billion from buyout firm TPG. The deal will make Endo International an even bigger player in the fast-changing and fast-consolidating generic drug sector. By the close, shares of Endo fell more than 5%. Bertha Coombs has more on the deal and what it could mean for the price of generic drugs.
Generic drugs save patients money, but drug makers that produce them are attracting big bucks. Endo International paying $8 billion for Par Pharmaceuticals.
This is a transaction that's transformative for Endo in general, but specifically in generics, this will position us as a top 5 generics play in the U.S.
Endo's shares fell, some analysts citing the cost. Par Pharma was taken private for just $2 billion in 2012. But there's big competition for generic pharma deals. Pfizer recently bought generic maker Hospira for $16 billion, while generic giant Teva has bid $40 billion for Mylan, which in turn is bidding more than $30 billion for Perrigo.
Interest rates are low, so that's encouraging companies to reach out and do M&A. It's a nice environment to do M&A in when it's that cheap to do so. So companies are looking around, looking to fill their pipelines of products.
While new specialty drugs can command high prices, some generic drug prices have skyrocketed. Government data show prices for generic cholesterol drug Prevestatin and generic antibiotic doxycycline more than doubled last year.
Part of it is consolidation. Part of it is also the supply chain. You've probably read that there are a number of plants down because of irregularities in manufacturing. The implication is fewer manufacturers means higher prices, and I think that you're seeing it in the generics.
With some of the backlog in manufacturing easing, analysts say generic drug price increases have slowed this year, but they expect the rate of drug deals in the $74 billion generic drug market to continue at a fast pace. Bertha Coombs, Nightly Business Report, New York.